Welcome to Cultural Discovery. I am Shelina Elyse, your host, and today we are trying Bosnian food at Old Town Sarajevo. We're on a mission to find a cuisine I've never experienced, and that's led us west of downtown Phoenix to Glendale, Arizona. I'm trying Bosnian food at Old Town Sarajevo. Outside the hustle of the city, Old Town Sarajevo has been a gathering place for the community since 2000. So this is Kokta, a caffeine-free soft drink with 11 herbs and spices. No. Rose hip and pomegranate. Ooh. Oh, wow. It tastes like really similar to like Coca-Cola. Mm. It's a little carbonated, but it's not like dancing bubbles all over your mouth. But it's not syrupy either. And it is a little bit florally, but like if I were to think that I had like a floral sort of like cola. So cocktail. And this is Yupi, citrus flavored carbonated beverage. Ooh. That's really refreshing. It is like carbonated orange juice. So good. So this dish right here is called sarma. It is pickled cabbage leaves stuffed with minced meat, rice, and a blend of herbs and spices. And what I've read about Bosnian food is that while it is flavorful, there's not a gigantic variety of spices, but this smells absolutely delicious, and I'm so excited to try it. I truly love cabbage, and I love all things pickled, if we didn't learn that about me already. So here we are, and then that's the inside, the stuffing. And stuffing vegetables and leaves is very much part of their food culture, so excited. You really get that vinegariness from the pickled cabbage, and then the meat inside, the savory with the rice. That is such a delicious feeling. It's very cozy and homey, familiar ingredients, but definitely in a way that I've never put them together before. I am so excited that this place also has a mixed platter. And please forgive me. Gentle corrections, if you will. I'm going to butcher all of the words, but do my very best from what I heard our wonderful server pronouncing. So mixed platter, Mijeszana plata. It comes with 5 pieces of shavapi, so homemade beef sausages. They're served with traditional bread and onions. We also have shish shavap, so homemade beef, spicy beef sausages served with the traditional bread. And we have also pljeskavica, and that is going to be this flat, large patty, also served with, mushrooms, cheese, and traditional bread. And then we have a chicken breast. We have also a var. And then a var is a veggie spread made from roasted red peppers, eggplants, garlic, oil, vinegar, and salt. That is a beautiful color, and I cannot wait to dive in. So we're going to, oh my goodness, apologies. Look at this bread. Look how fluffy that is. That's just so big and fluffy. So we're gonna take a bit of that off. Ooh. And then we're just gonna go in order of how it's listing things. So let me bring out my handy dandy here. So this is our shabab. That's so nicely done. It's so savory and homey, and I love the grill on the outside. And you can taste the fattiness, but it doesn't leave like a residue on the outside of your mouth. It's so good. I love this texture. Okay, so then now the spicy one. Okay, let's see. Great. Maybe a little bit of pepper. We'll see. Just a hint of spice. And it's not forward like immediately. When you eat it, you're chewing it, and then you can taste a little bit of the heat start coming through your mouth. But it's not overpowering. It really is, oh, this tastes very similar to the first one that I had. As you keep chewing, you're building flavor, and then that pepper comes through and you're like, oh, there you go. That's where it is. All right. This is the pljeskavica. So the large beef patty. That's a good texture on that. Similar flavoring as to the first one that we had, but this I could see how if you have it built as like a melt in its own platter itself, how the mushrooms would really sit well with all of that. So excited. All right, so now now we're gonna try some of this chicken. I love the color on this, really caramely color. Oh man, so tender and juicy, especially for how thin it's cut. You know, usually you might think this would be like, you would be in fear that it would turn to like a chicken jerky situation, but no, that is so juicy and tender and beautiful. Very caramely. Love that. Okay, so now we have, oh, I didn't do the bread. We're gonna dip some of this in here. First, I'm gonna have it naked by itself. That's one of the best bread textures I've ever had, because it is so soft on the inside, so porous on the inside. And then this crust here, this beautiful crust, chewy, but not so chewy you feel like you're getting a jaw workout. It's crispy. It's just so full body. I love that. Okay. Yeah. Oh, you know what? Let's try some of the meat with our avar. Ooh. I love that it gives a brightness to this plate, but also it is very fresh, like well, so brightness and freshness, and then very earthy, which I wouldn't have thought of, but I think it's the roasting of the vegetables. Yeah, this is just some beautiful food.
Much of Bosnian cuisine is influenced by Turkish, Greek, and Ottoman culture. You can taste the rich history, years of experience, and care taken to create these dishes, and that bread truly captured my heart.
Okay, and you know we can't leave a place without having dessert. And this is crempita. It's creamy vanilla custard between layers of puff pastry and then powdered sugar. Okay, let's see how it goes. Oh gosh. Oh no. Uh-oh. I am not doing a good job. You know what? I'm just gonna do a little bit of that. Do a little bit of that. There it goes. Oh. Okay. And you know I'm not one for a little bite, so. Ooh. It's so fluffy. It's kind of like, I was gonna say fluffy pudding, but I guess that's what a custard is anyways. That is so good. It's just enough sweetness, but not like too sweet like American desserts usually can be. This is a really good finish to an excellent meal. I'm so pleased.
I did some research before my visit, but of course, tasting is believing. Everyone at Old Town Sarajevo is lovely and hospitable, and we're looking forward to joining them for a traditional coffee service in the future.
What an incredible meal here at Old Town Sarajevo. I've never had Bosnian food. I wasn't exactly sure what to expect, and I'm so glad we came here and tried everything today. We had that mixed plate. There was the crempita for dessert. The sarma, I think, was my favorite with the pickled stuffed cabbage. Definitely delicious. If you're looking to try something out of the box that isn't all that mainstream, but definitely should be, please come and see our friends here at Old Town Sarajevo. We cannot wait to come back. Bye.